Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace battery on your Kia Telluride. Stay tuned. It's heavy. Alright, so here is the battery. It's a pretty heavy one. And here is the part number. Alright guys, so you gotta install the positive first. That right there. I'm using 10mm. Make sure this thing is tight. Then work on the negative one. Remove this terminal plastic cover and install the negative battery. Alright guys, so I'm inside the vehicle right now. You guys might wondering why I did replace the battery. This one has only 3,710 miles on it, but every time the customer will start the vehicle in the morning, the starter will just click. Then they jump started it and everything will be fine. When I got it, the battery has only 8 volts. So I decided to go ahead and test the battery, and I found out I do have internal fault condition. So I replaced the battery under factory warranty, and I don't have to change the time and date. That is correct. All right, guys, that's all for today. Have a great day. Bye.